Hello everybody, it is Shifudon, and in this training video we are going to be talking about the bow and arrow stance. Okay, so I'm going to step back just a little. Again, we're in this ready position with our feet in a V shape. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to sink our weight down into the right leg, lifting the left leg, stepping forward and out to the left with the heel. And then you're going to move forward and put your weight into the front foot. Now you're not going to go fully into the front foot and take your weight off the back foot. At first, just be about a 50-50 weight distribution on both feet, okay? And then bring your weight back, lifting and coming back. And then on the other side, sink into the left, lifting the right, stepping forward and right, and then sinking down 50-50. Okay? And then bring the weight back and up and back to the ready position. Okay? So from a side angle, we sink down and we step left and forward and then transition our weight. Back, up, and back. Sinking left, stepping out to the right and forward, and then 50-50 weight distribution. Now, if you'll notice here, our feet position. The forward foot is facing forward. The rear foot is faced on an angle around 45 degrees. Okay? So rear foot at 45 degrees, front foot is straight. Now, a common error on this stance is when the front foot is angled outward like so. You don't want to angle the forward foot out when you're in this stance. So you'll be straight. Now what about in this way? This is okay, just not this. Okay? Now, do you never go like this? The answer is no. You'll do this when you're going to be stepping forward into another bow and arrow stance. So we're in a bow and arrow stance and we want to move forward into another bow and arrow stance. So at this point, then you would rock back, pivot the forward foot, stepping up and putting the weight into the forward foot, releasing the weight on the back foot, and then stepping out with the left and now into another bow and arrow stance, like so. Okay? So that's the only time you want to pivot that front foot out, is when you're going to transition and move into another bow and arrow stance. Okay? So practice this stance walking up and down the road, or you can practice it in your kitchen, walking from your living room to the refrigerator, something like that. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Have yourself a blessed day.